Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be making air fryer pumpkin seeds. But first, we gotta have a little fun. Now to help with the carving, we picked up this kit from Walmart. It's got a bunch of knives, a scoop, a spoon, and a bunch of stencils to go along with it. Now for our first pumpkin, Jacko, we did freehand him. I'll leave a link for that video above. But for the rest of this, we are going to be using the stencils that come with the kit. First thing we have to do is clean everything out and then get to work. I do have to say these knives in this kit work really well. Especially using the smaller knives for all the little details. Now that the pumpkins are cleared out, we're going to start roasting the seeds. We're going to be using the air fryer for this, and it's real simple ingredients. You're going to need avocado oil, and I'm going to be using Lawry seasoning salt. And pumpkin seeds, of course. First thing we're going to do is we're going to clean out all the seeds. We're going to separate the seeds from the pulp, and then we're going to give everything a good washing and try to remove as much pulp as possible. This is a nice sized jack-o'-lantern pumpkin, so we would like to try to grow some of these next year, so we're going to try salvaging some of the seeds. We did this once before. I'll leave a link for that video above when we grew the pumpkins out in the yard. So we're going to put these on their own paper towel, let them air dry on the counter, and then we'll package them up when everything's all dried out. Now for the rest of the pumpkin seeds. We have them all laid out, so we're going to try to pat them dry the best that we can. Then we're going to add them back to the bowl. Now to set up our air fryer, we are going to set it at 360 degrees. Now that we have everything in the bowl, we're going to start adding our ingredients. We have our seeds, and to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Next is half a teaspoon of Lawry seasoning salt. You don't want to go too crazy now and have it be over seasoned and too salty to eat. Now we're going to add everything to the air fryer and set it for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to shake everything up and stir the pumpkin seeds and make sure they get an even cooking. And then after 10 minutes, the pumpkin seeds should be a nice golden brown. Now that it's all done cooking, we're going to add everything to a plate, and we're going to add the Lawry seasoning salt to taste. Alright guys, so that is it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I will leave this recipe in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. How is it?